Hey guys, my name is Cece. I am CeeMyCurlz, and as you see, I got my curls up in a nice little perm rotted puff. This is like, when did I do my hair? Did my hair like Tuesday. So this is a 3-day-old perm rod set. I'm still getting my technique down. I also spurted some water on it because I wanted it to be a puff. But we're not here for my hair. We are here to talk about some quick skincare hacks that I think just make your life a little bit easier, and I think your skin will also benefit it, and you'll see a nice little change in either the application, the usage of your skincare products, or just your overall skin complexion. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Go ahead and leave a comment if you are new here and say, hey, I'm new, but I like it here. And we will get into this video. All right, so if you guys see me looking down, if you're new to my channel, I use notes. If you're old here, you already know what it is. I write things down so that I know what I'm telling you guys. But like I said, these are just some hacks that I do. These aren't rules, they're hacks. They're just to make your life easier, get your skin cleaner. So my first hack is I use a face scrubber when I wash my face. It's not like a super hard scrubby thing, but it's like a nice little rubber face scrubby. And I prefer it because, one, you're always supposed to like, using clean hands is always like such a big thing. And sometimes like, I feel like there might be like stuff underneath your nails. And I just feel as though it's a lot more sanitary for me to use a face scrubber because I wash it every day with the face wash that I'm using. So like, it's a clean thing. And then I also think it gets my skin a lot cleaner before than just my hands. I don't use scrubs anymore. So the only exfoliating I really do, if you would call my face kind of scrubber thing, because like I said, it's rubber. So it's not like one of those actual things I said, it's face exfoliator. No, it's like just like a face. I'm just gonna call it a face scrubber. So that's my first hack, and you can find those like at Forever 21, probably at the dollar store, definitely probably at Target. You can get a fancy high-end one that vibrates and stuff, or you can just get a little cheap one like I did. I got mine from Shein for like $2. Oh yeah, you could definitely find them at TJ Maxx. So yeah, face scrubber, I love it. I also think it helps get my skin a lot cleaner than it used to. All right, number 2. Washing your face with the 1-minute rule. Now, I did not create this rule. I believe it is LA. Oh my gosh, I blow the bag on this girl every time. Okay, I got her name. The lady who created this rule, and I'm also gonna mention some other tips that she has, but her name is LA Beautyologist. She has a Twitter and YouTube. I will put both of those in the description box, but she created the 1-minute, she didn't even create it, but she's the person who got it like super like popping throughout the YouTube and beauty community. Basically, the idea of the 1-minute rule is that if you just like put your face wash on, wait for it to set off, then wash it off right away, you're not really letting those ingredients that you're paying so much for actually have time to work into your skin. So washing your face for 1 minute allows the time for those ingredients to actually work and be useful for your skin instead of you just rinsing them off right away. So yeah, I do that both day and night. I love it, and it definitely makes a difference. Like, it's gonna help clear up your skin. It's definitely gonna help make sure your skin is clean, and your skin benefits from it. I 100% love that rule. All right, so the next hack that I have is putting a mask on, right? But you like apply your mask before your shower. Why? Because of the steam. The steam is going to help open up your pores, so you're going to be absorbing that mask a lot more than you would without the steam. And it's also just super relaxing. I like to do this with my clay mask just because I feel as though it makes the clay not dry as quickly as it would if I was to just like be out here, you know? Like if I am in the shower, I feel like the moisture from the shower is still like letting it work a little bit slower and get a little bit deeper into my pores. So yeah, I love doing that hack. I saw that on Kacie Alea's channel. I will also leave her in the description because she has amazing skincare tips and amazing self-care tips as well. So yeah, that's my other favorite hack. I like to do my face mask in the shower, especially at nighttime because it's super relaxing as well. And it does not have to be a clay mask, and it can be any mask you like. But I feel steam just in general really helps moisturize your face and then also helps open up your pores. Alright, so my next one, I definitely do this more in the morning time than I do at night, but I like to tone in between the application of products. So what might you mean? This is also another tip that I got from LA Beautyologist. So she had this meme going around that said, wash your face, toner. Apply serum, toner. Face mask, toner. Like toner, moisturizer. Like you literally had to put toner in between every step. And the reason why she started this up is because she believes with applying toner between the application of every product that is going to help your face have a little bit more water on it, and the water is going to help everything absorb a little bit more. So like a water-based toner like my rose water spray, I love to do this with, and it definitely does help me work in my products, especially because I tend to use a lot of products. So I definitely think this is definitely a rule for people who like to use 1 or 2 serums, maybe 3. I don't use 3 at one time, but it definitely helps me work in my products a lot more. And I also do think it helps my face stay a lot more hydrated as well. So yeah, that's a nice little hack. Rose water, do it before face mask, do it before your serum, do it in between serums. I don't always do it before my moisturizer just because it makes my moisturizer like dry down a little bit longer, but we still love that hack. Alright, so my next hack is also about absorption, and is to use a face roller when applying your serums. And I think also face oils. I personally don't use face oils, but yes, basically a face roller or a massaging roller is not only going to help work in your products more, but it also helps waken up your skin, and it like gives your skin a more lifted, it gets the blood circulating, and some people think like it helps bring down the swelling just a little bit. But I will say it definitely helps your skin look more awake, but I mostly just use it for working in my serums, working in my sheet mask. I love it with a sheet mask. I feel as though it just really does help me get that stuff into my skin. So yes, get you a face roller. You can get an expensive one, or you can get a nice little cheap one. I got me a nice little cheap one and I love it. And pro tip, keep it in the freezer or the fridge, because I have a little mini fridge in my room. So I keep it in the fridge so that when I do that, it helps keep my pores closed. Because I usually do that when I'm about to go out and I'm about to like show my skin off or something like that. So yes, face roller hack. All right, so next hack also has to do with coldness. In the morning, I only use cold water while washing my face, either like slightly, like the slightest lukish warm, but mostly cold, because I like to keep the pores on my face as closed as possible, because I do have oily to combination skin. So that does mean that sometimes my pores can be enlarged, and that causes oil and all that stuff. So I like to rinse with cold water, and then I also like to wipe my face like my cold, because so when I'm rinsing off my cleanser, I do my face wash. So I like that to be, not my face wash, my face cloth. I like that to be cold. So I wipe that, then I will go down to my sink and splash cold water on my face. And then I will do another wipe with the cold washcloth one more time. But the entire time that is cold, I started doing this about a month ago, and I definitely think it helps with the appearance of pores. So yes, cold water in the mornings. So my next hack also goes back into absorption of products. If you don't always want to use your face roller, another great way for you to get your products working into your skin is for you to pat them in, not rub, but pat. I like to pat in all my serums and I sometimes pat in my moisturizers as well as I wait for them to dry down. But I love patting in my products. It helps make sure that your skin is applying it. It applies slight pressure, but it also makes sure that you're not doing like that sweeping motion, because that doesn't really help. It just smears everything everywhere. And sometimes you have to like apply certain products to certain areas, and if you smear it everywhere, you're kind of ruining all of that extra effort. So yeah, pat your products in, guys. Pat, 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 pat. All right, and my last tip is when I work in my moisturizers, I love to massage upwards. The The reason why you should massage your face upwards is because you want to promote your skin from not sagging. So if you do it like this, you're just going to like permit drooping, and you're not really helping with the uplifting of your face. So I'm not gonna do it because I have on makeup, but I'm showing you guys in a demo right now. But by doing it that way, you're just helping assist your skin in the direction that you want it. You're giving it a nice lift. You're helping your skin know to stay lifted, and it's also a really nice face massage as well. So that's just a quick skin hack. I know a lot more with like people with more mature skin, they definitely do that. So yes, start early, make these good habits early. And those are all my hacks. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you knew any of these hacks. If you have your own skin hacks that you think that I should have said in this video, please go ahead and leave them in the comments. Let me know if there's any specific hacks that you think you're gonna try out or that you might already do, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at CeeMyCurlz with 2 Z's at the end, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And remember, stay blessed.